Hello and welcome to my video, and today it's Friday the 13th and Halloween is just around the corner, so I'm going to make Halloween slime. But before I start, I want to show you what we need. So we have some PVA washable glue, so you'll be needing that. Then you'll be needing some shaving foam, any shaving foam. Then I'm going to be using some black food colouring gel, and I'm going to be using two glitters. I'm going to be using a red glitter pack and a green, Halloweeny green glitter pack. I'm going to add those in. I also have some eyeballs to put in this as well. And for the main part is the activation. So I am using contact lens solution, and you must make sure when you use contact lens solution it contains boric acid and sodium borate, otherwise it won't produce the slime. So now we've got that out of the way, now we will get on with making the slime. So we need to put our PVA glue into the bowl. Before I put the shaving foam in, I just want to add that the shaving foam is not necessarily to make the slime, it's just to make the slime fluffy. I'm going to add in the black food colouring. Oh, it's got a nice grey colour. So now I'm going to add in my glitter. There goes the red, and I'm going to put in the green glitter. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to add in my spooky eyeballs. Right, now activation time. So, for this slime to get slimy, we need to add in the contact solution. You can add this as you go, so don't be worried, just add a little bit, give it a stir. You can almost see it changing and coming off the sides of the bowl now. And now I'm going to add in some of the bicarbonate of soda. Just a little bit of this, not a lot. That's it. And remember, you can always keep adding to get the consistency. Now that I have it to the right consistency, it's time to get our hands in. And you know you've done it right when it all comes off the sides and it's no longer sticky. Oh, There goes an eyeball. Wow, nice stretchy slime. And you can see the googly eyes. So there you have it, nice, stretchy, fluffy Halloween slime.
Fluffy Halloween slime.
And for the favourite part, the most satisfying part, so there you have it, Halloween slime with glitter and eyeballs. So that was how to make Halloween fluffy slime with eyeballs. Next couple of days I will have another video, and this video will be about Halloween decorations and accessories. So look out for that one. So that will be in a few days. And happy Halloween. This is so squidgy that it's very hard not to keep playing with it. So I hope you make your Halloween slime, and happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.